Hello everyone. This application is all about create project task from meeting. This Odoo app create project task from meeting helps to create a project task from the meeting module only, that is the calendar module. So based on the fields which will be provided in the meeting, that will be created a project task inside this calendar module. So now I will show how this application will be working, and this is for Odoo 17 enterprise version. First, we need to go to the calendar module, and here you can see there is a week, month, day, and year. So, based on that, you can set the meeting here and you can create a project task from here only. So, I will select Friday, and here I'll click on more information and I will give this meetings. So, I will give the meeting subject as business meetings with client. And here I'll give the start and end time and the duration and the location and video call. So all these information will be set, and if you have any tag you can just give it, and description is that you can just type it, and organizer you can give. So all these attendees you can just select it from here. So once all these information will be done here, you can save this. So this will be created the task in this particular calendar. And here you can see there is a create task. Clicking on this create task, this wizard will be opening up. So here you can select the project. So this task will belong to which project. So right now I'm giving as office design, and I will give the title, that is business meeting with the client. And whatever the title is there you can provide, and assignees you can give who are the assignees, and here you can select the deadline of this particular task, and you can give the tag, that is if it is bug or experiment or internal or a new feature. And here the allocated time, so how much is the allocated time for this particular task you can give. And if there is any description you can just put it up here, and you can click on this create task button. So once you click on create task button, automatically a task will be created in the project module. So here you can see there is a smart button which one task is created. So if I click on this particular task, you will be able to see this information. So whatever the information which we have provided, that will be coming up in this project module. That is the name of this title and the project name, milestone, assignees, everything will be there, and the description will be also set from the meeting. So if I go to the project module, and if I click on task, and if I click on all the tasks, and here you can see a business meeting with client right now which we have created. So automatically in project this will be created. So you can view this task through the project module also, or you can view this through calendar view also. So this calendar will be set, and if you click on this particular, and you can see there is edit yes or no or not. So I'll click on this particular edit button, and you can see one task will be created in this particular project. So this is regarding a project, create a project task from meeting. So if you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like, subscribe our channel. Thank you.